Case IH L730 non-self-leveling front end loaders. This would be the only wholesale unit we have in stock. We would have parts for these. We've got quite a bit of cosmetic damage to this one, but no fire. Besides your hookup hoses. All other hydraulic components look good. Bucket cylinders look good. Distribution valve looks good. As always, we've got the cracked cross-member plastic. These hoses look a little weathered, but they would be probably okay. We've got a bent level indicator, and the plastic holder seems to be broken. Right hand lift cylinder looks to be leaking. Just be a seal kit, but all lines look okay. Another look at your hookup hoses. They will be replaced along with this connector. I believe it comes with the hose kit anyway. Good set of stands. Missing a locking tab on the right hand side. Would probably go ahead and replace the left hand. We've got missing parts off of it anyway. No fire on the frame whatsoever. Got all your decals. Good looking skid steer carrier. We would have global carriers available if you wanted to switch. I'm missing the right hand plastic cover here. Left hand cover. Just another loader that's got a bunch of cosmetic damage, but wouldn't be too bad to replace everything to make it functional. Like I said earlier, we would have parts for this specific model, same for New Holland loaders. This model will fit anything from your Farmall C small utility tractors, and along with some JX U models. We will have mounting brackets available specific to your tractor. We will not have any skid steer buckets available, but we do have global style, like I said, if you wanted to switch. Give us a call for quotes or parts. Let us know we can help you.